Hey, the seller sent me this set of 10 caulk tube caps for free, so I'm going to check them out and give you my thoughts. So this is actually a pretty handy tool. Typically when I have a tube of caulk, I cap the tip with like a screw or a nail, and what happens when you do that, it's just a pain to take out, and the tip of your caulk here, it dries up. You can't immediately squeeze it out. You got to cut the tip again. You lose product. It makes a mess, and it's so much more difficult. These caulk tips here, these go right in the top of your caulk tube. You can see it works on a standard caulk tube. I got like a handheld one here, so it'll fit on almost any size. I put this cap on a couple days ago. We'll go ahead and take it off. This pulls right out, and my caulk is nice and ready to use. This created an airtight seal. That way the caulk didn't dry and I could pull that right out. These are reusable. When you're finished, you just take your tip and you put it right back in that hole, and you can see it creates a nice airtight seal. I like that this comes in a set of 10. I do a lot of projects around the house, and I'm always going through caulk tubes, so I can seal up a bunch of these all at once, keep things fresh and ready to use. And we'll take a little bit closer look at the design. It kind of almost looks like a Q-tip, but this inserts right in, penetrates right into your tube. That way you seal it right up, and then it's an airtight seal right around the tip of your cap. I honestly wish I bought these years ago. This would have saved me a lot of time and money and a mess. I think these are great for whether you're a contractor or you're just a DIYer doing work around your house.